In this video, we will be telling about how to disable call forwarding in your smartphone. With call forwarding, when anyone is calling you, you can divert that call to different number. So if you are busy or you have not answered any call, you can divert that call to different number. But sometimes some persons may use this feature in your smartphone to divert your call to their phone. With this, they can even get OTP that is coming to your phone through call. So disabling call forwarding is important if you have not set it by yourself. Anyways, let's check about how to disable call forwarding feature in your smartphone. In some smartphones like Redmi, Xiaomi, Poco branded phones, there is separate settings for call forwarding. For this, what you need to do is open your phone settings. After opening phone settings, search for call forwarding. When you search for call forwarding, you can see an option like this. If you are seeing this option, click on this option. If you are not seeing, skip that. After that, you can see your two SIMs here. Select the SIM of which you want to disable or enable call forwarding. I am selecting first SIM. Here you can see two options, voice and video. Select whichever you want. I am selecting voice. Here you can see that everything is off. One thing you should know is that you can set call forwarding in 4 different ways. Either you can forward all calls or you can forward when your phone is busy, and in another case when you have not answered a call, you can divert that call. And in last case, if your phone is unreachable, you can divert that call. So you should keep in mind these things. While disabling call forwarding, you should disable all for call forwarding. Here you can see that everything is off. If you want to turn on, it's very simple. Click on whichever call forwarding you want. After that, type the phone number which you want to divert your call to. After typing the number, click on turn on. Now you can see that call forwarding is activated here. To disable this, click on this option. Down here you can see turn off. Click on turn off. Now you can see that this is turned off. But one thing is that sometimes you may not see call forwarding settings in your smartphone. In that case, what you should do is, there is some code for disabling call forwarding. This may differ according to service providers. In India, if you are using Jio SIM, select the phone dialer. After selecting the phone dialer, first to disable all call forwarding, type this number. *402, then call to this number.
Unconditional call forwarding has been deactivated on your number.
Now you can hear an announcement saying that all call forwarding feature is disabled. But one important thing you should keep in mind is that there is 4 types of call forwarding. You should disable everything. To disable call forwarding when you are busy, type *406 and call to this number. When you call to that number, you can hear an announcement saying that your call forwarding is disabled. To disable call forwarding when not answered, you should type *404 and call to this number. Then that will be disabled. To disable call forwarding when unreachable, you should type *410 and call to this number. So this is the number for Jio, but if you are using Airtel, VI or Bsnl, the number is different. If you are using either Airtel or Bsnl, for disabling call forwarding in all calls, you should enter ##21#. After entering this number, press the call button. When you press the call button, here you can see call forwarding error is successful. So that is cleared. And if you are using VI SIM, the code is #002#. When you press call forwarding in all calls will be disabled. To disable call forwarding when you are busy, for Airtel, Bsnl and VI it is same. You should type ##67#. After that, press the call button and it will be erased. To disable call forwarding when you have not answered that call, the code is ##61#. And to disable call forwarding when you are unreachable, the code is ##62#. For Airtel, VI and Bsnl, it's the same. So this way you can disable call forwarding feature in your smartphone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.